got the Concord RadioCorder that I got cleaned up and working, and it worked great, but it was missing the 2 battery and AC cord compartment covers. This is the Concord F-90, and both of these covers were missing. So I designed and 3D printed both covers. Would like to have printed them in the cream color, but I didn't have that cream color in stock. So I created a latched cover here, and this covers the AC cord, as you can see, and it's got the little latch on there that slides and locks in, and then that also locks in the battery compartment cover. And I have here a new battery cover compartment. It just slips right in and snaps in place, and then the AC cord compartment cover pops in place and latches. So just like the original, took me a while to design them, but and didn't take but just a few minutes to print, but it turned out really well.